Welcome to Zhen-Ao Group, a pioneer at the forefront of China's healthcare supplement industry. We are dedicated to delivering groundbreaking, scientific solutions that continually set new industry standards. As trailblazers in yeast, RNA, and nucleotide innovations, we are transforming pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, bioagriculture, and biotechnology, with nearly 2,000 retail stores and over 30,000 dedicated employees. Zhen-Ao Group is making a significant and positive impact every day. Our unwavering commitment to excellence is highlighted through strong collaborations with Nobel Prize laureates, top researchers, and proud partnerships with the Olympic Games. Building on nearly 40 years of expertise in fermentation and production, Zhen-Ao Biotech offers a fully integrated process, from yeast to RNA to nucleotides. Our nucleotides are trusted by partners worldwide, and our yeast extracts are utilized by 7 out of the top 10 global flavor companies. Innovation drives our dedicated lab, where we continuously develop flavor enhancement solutions, achieving outstanding results across various applications. At Zhen-Ao Biotech, we are dedicated to researching and manufacturing flavor ingredients, animal nutrition, RNA, nucleotides, and functional ingredients. Our advanced biological techniques have established Zhen-Ao as leaders in seamlessly integrating the yeast to RNA to nucleotide production chain. Our yeast extracts are versatile, natural flavor enhancers that enrich a wide range of foods, from seasonings and broths to sauces, meats, and vegetarian dishes. They are also ideal for cheese, dips, and pet foods, and serve as effective fermentation cultures, expanding their utility even further. Zhen-Ao's high nucleotide yeast extracts, ZH series, are game changers in flavor enhancement, with naturally occurring I+G levels ranging from 3% to 33%. These extracts excel at boosting umami and kokumi flavors, while effectively masking off-tastes and bitterness. As an excellent alternative to MSG, they not only enhance flavor, but also help reduce salt usage effectively, making them a smart choice for healthier, tastier food. Our ZG series yeast extracts, packed with high levels of glutamic and nucleotides, are an excellent choice for replacing HVP and MSG in your products. For those seeking rich, savory meat flavors, our ZLC series yeast extracts deliver the perfect solution, especially for vegans and vegetarians, thanks to their entirely yeast-based origin. With a variety of meaty flavors to choose from, you'll find the ideal match for your culinary needs. If you're looking for distinctive roasted, burnt, and caramel aromas, our ZLH series yeast extracts offer just that. Their rich, dark color simplifies the browning process, saving time and energy, while their high EBC number makes them a versatile clean label coloring agent. The ZYA series yeast extracts go beyond flavor enhancement. Packed with essential nutrients like nucleotides, proteins, amino acids, vitamins, and peptides, they improve intestinal health and strengthen immunity, delivering benefits that extend beyond taste. Zhen-Ao's innovative yeast protein ZP series is an exciting new protein alternative that perfectly blends taste and nutrition. Non-GMO, allergen-free, and vegetarian, ZP series is a complete protein with a balanced amino acid profile, boasting an impressive 52% EAA content over total amino acid content and rich in BCAA, all derived from baker's yeast. Our yeast-based functional ingredients are trusted by customers worldwide for their effectiveness. Zhen-Ao Biotech continues to set the standard for excellence in the industry. Discover the power of Zhen-Ao Nucleotides, derived from premium yeast RNA and meeting global standards, including Chinese GB, US FCC, and EU EC regulation, with over 50% of the global market share and recognition from clients worldwide. Zhen-Ao Nucleotides are your trusted choice for excellence. We also offer tailored nucleotide blends to suit your specific needs. Our commitment to quality and safety is unwavering. Certified with ISO, FSSC, BRC, OU Kosher, Halal, and GMP+. You can trust our comprehensive range of certifications to meet your highest standards. At Zhen-Ao Biotech, we are not just leaders in yeast fermentation innovation. We are also dedicated stewards of our planet. We deeply care about the environment and are passionately committed to reducing our carbon footprint, wastewater, and air pollution. Together, we are shaping a brighter, more sustainable future for all. Our commitment extends beyond innovation and sustainability. Through our corporate social responsibility, CSR efforts, we proudly support education by sponsoring at least 10 primary schools in underserved rural areas, ensuring children in need have access to better learning opportunities. Our dedication to sustainability has also earned Zhen-Ao the EcoVadis Silver Award. Zhen-Ao Biotech, where innovation, responsibility, and excellence come together to create a better world.